ready to transform a simple photo into a blockbuster-worthy movie poster using the power of AI. Let's jump into Leonardo AI and make movie magic. First, head over to Leonardo AI and log in then. Navigate to the image generation tool. This is where we'll be bringing your movie poster vision to life. Next, upload the photo you want to use as the base for your poster. This will be the central element we build around. Look for the image to image section to upload your file. Now, craft a detailed prompt that describes the movie poster you envision. Be specific about the genre, setting, mood, and any additional elements you want to include. For example, epic sci-fi movie poster, cyberpunk cityscape, dramatic lighting. The more details, the better. Adjust the settings to refine the image generation. Pay attention to the guidance scale. A higher value makes the AI stick closer to your prompt. Also, explore ControlNet settings for more precise control over image composition, if you want it to resemble your uploaded picture closer. Leonardo AI will now generate several poster options based on your photo and prompt. Browse through the results and select the one that best captures the essence of your movie idea. Once you've selected a poster, upscale the image to ensure it's high resolution and suitable for printing or digital display. Leonardo AI offers various upscaling options, so choose the one that provides the best clarity and detail. Finally, add the movie title and any other text elements you want to include. Choose a font and style that complements the poster's overall aesthetic. Consider the placement of the text to create a visually balanced and professional design. And there you have it, a stunning movie poster created from a single photo using the power of Leonardo AI. Experiment with different prompts, photos, and styles to unleash your creativity and bring your cinematic visions to life.